Today I'm going to be working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and I'm going to be painting this sunflower picture for you. But first of all, here's a list of the materials. So to sketch things out, what I'm using is a very dilute mix of ultramarine and burnt umber, diluted with turpentine, and I'm just sketching in the outline of all the things. The next thing I do is to start blocking in, looking for the shadows, so I'm trying to pick out all the dark areas and midtones. Now I'm just beginning to add a bit more colour. I'm using ultramarine and cadmium yellow for the leaves and adding a little bit more colour into the flowers and starting to introduce a bit more orange into the apricots. Looking here for the shadows, I'm using quite a neutral violet colour for the background, and looking for the highlights again, I'm using warm white and with a little bit of yellow in it, just working away, just getting the shape and defining the shapes of the apricots while I'm doing this. Look here now for the darks in the flowers. So I put the dark colours that I saw first, and I'm working towards the lighter colours as I go along. Having done that, I can now start to put in the background using a nice dark colour, and I can cut into those flowers and give them the shape and define them a little bit more, working from lighter colour on the left hand side of the picture with darker colours on the right. The fun bit's always putting in the highlights. I love this bit, and I've used cadmium yellow and white on those flowers and some lovely warm orange on the apricots. The leaves I've used a nice bright green with a bit of yellow and white just to give them some highlight. We've got the reflection of the apricots in the vase, and yeah, here we go. Well, here it is. Here's the finished picture. I hope you enjoyed watching that, and thank you for staying with me.